Good evening, the tape is live. We scanned 500 coins today, 69 crossed the desk's line. Let's measure what actually moved.
First up, REUR. Our measurement shows it rose up 2.8% in the last 24 hours with $20 million in volume and a rank of 874.
That is a violent vertical. What is REUR actually?
It's a Royal Euro token, a EUR reference stable value token engineered to target one-to-one parity with the euro. It is issued by the RB Digital Holdings Limited and lives across BNB Chain and Tron.
A stablecoin attempting an extreme deviation from its pegged target. A likely mirage of stability or a liquidity event. We measure the move, not the intent.
Next, DOS. The tape shows it fell down 13.9% in the last 24 hours, trading $139 million in volume with turnover at 2.5 times its market cap.
High turnover on a down day. What is DOS?
It is DAPOS, categorized under artificial intelligence and AI applications. It holds a Binance Alpha Spotlight listing but carries no public description beyond those tags.
An AI application with heavy turnover and a drop. We note the volume, not the narrative.
Moving to SENDKB, it rose up 15.8% in the last 24 hours, trading $110 million in volume, ranked 294.
Tokenized assets often mimic their underlying. What is SENDKB?
It is SanDisk, a tokenized stock within the BStocks ecosystem on BNB Chain, classified under real-world assets.
A real-world asset mirror. We measure the token's movement, not the semiconductor market.
Home is still moving this hour. It rose up 10.7% in the last 24 hours with $56 million in volume, ranked 473.
DeFi aggregators often see correlated flows. What defines Home?
It is a DeFi aggregator and DX aggregator described as crypto's everything app, combining cross-chain swaps, yield farming, and perps trading with zero gas fees across BNB Chain, Solana, and Base.
A multi-chain utility play. We observe the activity, not the promise.
Finally, ALO. It fell down 7.8% in the last 24 hours, trading $65 million in volume, ranked 344.
AI frameworks are volatile. What is ALO?
It is Allura, a decentralized intelligence network that coordinates specialized AI models for real-time inference, operating on BNB Chain and Base with a Binance Alpha Spotlight listing.
Recap: we threw out the hype. REUR's stablecoin spike was a mirage of parity. DOS's A turnover was just volume. SENDKB was a tokenized reflection. Home was utility flow. ALO was network churn.
We circled the data points: REUR's $20 million, DOS's 2.5x turnover, and the 69 coins that cleared the filter.
We don't hype it, we measure it. The chain never closes. That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping: the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.